It's been 3 weeks, which means another move for us. Not far, but still a move. Not long after we got into the park and set up, because of Chris's back, we left our Starlink antenna on the ground, pointed north, right next to the RV and in our space. The next day, some contract grounds people came by with an herbicide and literally sprayed our Starlink and cables. What would you do?
Well, it's move day. Yesterday was tough. Shelly has been working so hard to take up the slack for me. It's been a sacrifice to her own health.
Now covered with a carcinogen that you have to touch every time you move.
Well, we're here. I'm going to go out and finish setting up.
This can't be right. We're trying to survive cancer, not get more.
Well, it's move day. Yesterday was tough. Shelly has been working so hard to take up the slack for me. It's been a sacrifice to her own health. We ended up in the ER. It was her asthma that kicked up, and it's odd because it hasn't bothered her for years. Maybe it was all the dogs we were around during our family get-together for Christmas. Maybe it's just that she's had to do so much. She was a little congested before. While she's trying to take up the slack for me. I can't let this happen. I've got to get stronger so that she doesn't get weaker. She's doing better now. The ER staff was amazing. The doctor was fantastic. Got her the medication she needed. And we had run out because we hadn't used her SVN in years. So we've got more meds now in case something's to happen again. We're going to be more cautious with her health as well as mine. And today's move is going to be slow as pro. We're going to get everything hooked up and be ready to go. We have to be out of here at 11 o'clock. And we can't check into the other park until noon. Take us about a half an hour to do the whole move thing once we get hooked and ready to go. But then we'll just sit in the parking lot for 30 minutes until it's time to move into our space. RV life is different. It can create its own set of challenges. My challenge is to make sure that she stays healthy too. Chris's challenge is to just find the next place to sniff. We'll talk to you guys later. Over here, baby. There she goes. Right there. See? It's Mama. Yes, it's Mommy. Oh, Mama, I was dying. I didn't know where you were.
Excellent.
It's all right. Paul's here. Look, there's Paul. There's Paul. Look, there's Paul. There's Paul. Say hi to Paul. She'll be back in a second. I know, it's terrible. So, of course, he's beside himself.
Yeah.
Mama, why'd you leave me? you're fine. Thank you very much, though.
Start putting the back end towards the passenger side, and then you'll just be able to back straight in. Start putting the back end of the drivers now. Just a little bit, not a lot. I stopped for a sec. Back like just a couple inches. Hey folks, would you like a great piece of swag? Join our insiders for early access and no commercials.
Well, we're here. Now I'm going to go out and finish setting up. Hey, is it breakfast time yet? I think so. What are we having? Looks like it's going to be eggs, soda pop, maybe some carameled onions, and some bacon. Oh, I can't wait. Neither can somebody else. Nobody. Oh, gotta water the basil. Yeah. Grizz and I like to spend a little bro time outside every once in a while. Yeah, that's him right there on the ground, relaxing and enjoying. And that's me up in front. You can see me on top in the reflection. I'm enjoying it too. I'm a big guy. Oh, you don't have to come over. Love you, buddy. Last time I was at the store, I picked up some pre-made meatballs. And I've added a little Rouse sauce to those meatballs that I cooked up in this pan at first. And now I'm just making sure they're cooked all the way through and they get the flavor of the spaghetti sauce on it. So what am I going to do with that? Well, I trimmed up some mozzarella in our handy dandy machine, and I'm going to take some deli buns. I'm going to split them, put a little mayo on them, the side that I split, and then I'm going to toast it mayo side down, and then I'm going to add a little bit of tomatoes and some pepperoncinis and cheese, put it all together, and have a meatball sub. Would you like a meatball sub? Yes, I'm sure you would, Mr. Goofy. You're so special. So we'll see how it goes. I'll fill you in.
Please travel safe.